Hey, tap in, don't tap out. Let me tell you what it's all about. We're here at Top Notch Nation Networks out here about to figure out this little problem at Northgate Market. Gonna get it nice and resolved. Need a call, just give us a call. We'll give you a call. We'll make everything work. You dig? This is how we do it. Top Notch Nation Networks. Be ready and on alert. You got a problem, we can solve it. You dig? And we out. MarketSpark. We have President MarketSpark. Under the burger alarm and fire. Fire gotta come here. DataRemote. What is the DataRemote? This is a different one. Oh, is it the 4-in-1? This is the straight DataRemote. This ain't the. But it's the same. It's already.
Everything all in one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You power it up.
It needs the antennas. It's RF type shit.
Antennas. Where was your antennas?
You gotta use this stuff? Dang, it's here. Might as well put it together.
Yeah.
So, the place for that to be installed. Something of that nature. What we were gonna do is we're gonna move these 2 blocks here. See these blocks here, we're gonna move these 2 possibly and put it right there. And if that'd be the only feasible place besides down low. And I don't know if we want to do down low or not. Stay tuned for more recommendations from the technician. Yes.
Best route, because we got a lot of space.
Yeah.
We got all this. Yeah. Okay. Take him out without unplugging it. Because you know how to do that. Philip drill. That's really all you need. We're gonna move these 2 items here, down here, so we have space to put the thing around here. Right now, we have the lead technician right now. He's going to get the appropriate tools for the job. He's gonna do his tooleroscopist. There we go. COVID safe, has his mask on. Yeah, yes sir. Interfering with everybody else. We can actually go up under. he could just chill till we figure out. We might have to put that 66 block all the way on that right status.
Yeah. Right. Get them under
This
here.
little thing on the angle.
Boom. Better mess with nothing under there.
For TCB.
Yeah, out the way. Now we got this. Let me take a picture of this.
Yep. So we've cleared all the space now, so we're ready to actually do the install. First, we must take the appropriate pictures to send to the customer.
So they need a before and after shot of the wall in the area. Which is fine. Let me see. Let me see what. Blue. These numbers up. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. This guy should be 2.
And so what he did is he just followed the color code since they are already patched into the 66 block in color code formation of blue, orange, green. He's just plugging them up to the patch. And it might not necessarily be blue, orange, green, but you follow the code. So blue would be 1, orange would be 2.